Hey guys, I'm back. So today is Black Friday and I'm going to try to come up with a look that is not a cranberry eye, because I keep doing that every day. So of course I grabbed all of the palettes that I have that are warm tones so that I could not create a cranberry eye. So let's do a brown eye. And it came out kind of nice, but I didn't feel like doing my hair, so yeah, that was... hair was a tragedy. Oh, I didn't bring my... Okay, I'm going outside of my box today because I normally wear the same transition color every single day. Well, not every day, but like every day I do my makeup. But today is a day that I'm not getting up for anything. So whatever products I have here is what I'm gonna use. Challenge time! Okay. So I'm gonna use this palette because you can't really go wrong with it. I'm just gonna use all the colors. I'm just kidding. Do orange or something. Burnt orange. I discovered in the other mirror that I need to fix my eyeshadow. Oh my gosh. Oh, I used the wrong color. Did I use the wrong color? Oh, I use two different browns. Oh, forgot to shower the stove. Oh.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
So if your lips are crusty like mine after using a matte lipstick, then get a lip gloss. Riveting, right? This is the final look.
Hey, come follow me.